It's now just a matter of a few hours before Arvind Kejriwal will stake his claim to form the government in Delhi. The stage is set after a dream debut. The Aam Aadmi Party will form, as Arvind Kejriwal calls it, people's government. But the question is, can Aam Aadmi Party deliver on its promises? Here's a report.
आम आदमी पार्टी जनता से पूछ रही है कि भाई बताओ सरकार बनाए कि ना बनाए। इस राजनीति को साफ करना अपने को सबको मिलके, और इस राजनीति को आज देश में एक ही आदमी साफ कर सकता है जी, वो है आम आदमी। जो मैनिफेस्टो है वो तो हम पूरा कर देंगे। मैनिफेस्टो बहुत सोच समझ के, बहुत डिस्कस करके, एक्सपर्ट से चर्चा करके बनाया गया था।
Is the countdown to government formation in Delhi. The Delhi deadlock is all but over. Come tomorrow, the Aam Aadmi Party will announce its decision to form the government in Delhi with Congress's support. AAP's direct democracy drive giving a thumbs up to Kejriwal's ambitions. The party claims that the majority of people attending Jan Sabhas want AAP to form the next government. AAP sources have confirmed to Headlines today that party leaders will meet the Lieutenant Governor tomorrow and stake a claim. The swearing-in is being planned for the 25th or the 26th of December, and the party will pass the Jan Lokpal bill within first 15 days of January at the Ram Leela Maidan. On the last day of the AAP's popular vote, it was Kejriwal himself who took charge at Jan Sabhas. From Gol Market to his New Delhi constituency, the verdict was clear. Implement what you've promised. Form the government to change governance.
जनता निर्णय लेगी और पार्टी उस निर्णय को फॉलो करेगी। आज हमने आप लोगों से पूछा है, अगर आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनती है तो हम सरकार के निर्णय बंद कमरे में नहीं लेंगे, बार बार ऐसी सभाएं करेंगे और जो आप कहोगे दिल्ली सरकार वैसे ही चला करेगी।
With the popular mood came a terse warning.
भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक सख्त जन लोकपाल बिल पास किया जाएगा और कांग्रेस और बीजेपी दोनों के घोटालों की जांच कराई जाएगी।
As AAP readies to form government, the Congress now says support to Kejriwal is not unconditional.
Because we had reached a situation where we could not support a communal party, which we hold BJP as. So we could only support a non-communal party, which so for that reason we have supported Aam Aadmi Party and said, go ahead with your plans. I mean, we could not be more liberal, we could not be more rational, we could not be more accountable to society.
सरकार बनाने से पहले आप इतनी गाली गलौज, इतनी तूतू मैं एक दूसरे को जो है वो उसको कोशिश हो रही है कि एकदम एक्सपोज कर डालो, तो इस तरह की या तो नूरा कुश्ती आप कर रहे हैं इस तरह की तूतू मैं से, और या फिर जो है वो लोगों को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं.
But will this warring alliance work? Member of the erstwhile Team Anna, Kiran Bedi, says she has her doubts.
As a Delhi voter and as a resident of Delhi, I do not know how long this alliance will last. And in the end, what kind of blames will keep coming on each other?
The time for making promises is over. Implementation will be the key now. But there are certain questions that need to be answered. Will public referendum make governance easy or difficult? Will AAP be able to provide a stable government given the fragility of its unconditional alliance with the Congress?